What's up devs? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up Gemini CLI in VS Code. And if you don't know about Gemini CLI, watch my other video. As you might know, Gemini CLI is a work inside your terminal, but recently Google create extension that allows you to work with Gemini CLI inside your IDE. It means Gemini CLI gains awareness of open files and selected text inside your IDE. It means it can produce context-sensitive relevant suggestions, and you will have the ability to see the diff and the cool things that you can edit the things before you accept the change, so you have the full control. Okay, let's dive in. Open VS Code. Then inside VS Code, open the terminal, install Gemini CLI first if you haven't installed it yet by using this npm command. If npm command doesn't work, it means you need to install Node.js on your computer. After that, hit enter and then wait a couple of minutes. Once the installation is completed, run the command Gemini and hit the enter. At the first launch, Gemini will ask you if you would like to install the extension for your IDE, because it recognizes that you run this command inside your IDE. So you can select yes and hit the enter. And after that, the extension will be installed. If you don't see that message, don't worry, we can install the extension manually. All you need, open any project folder or create a new one. Then open the terminal inside VS Code and write Gemini command. After that, inside your IDE, write the command /IDE space install. And if everything is okay, you will see this message. Then your IDE will try to turn on the extension automatically, but you might see this error. It means you have to reload VS Code. Okay, and now we are ready to use Gemini inside VS Code. Open your terminal, write Gemini command. Let's check the status of our extension, write /IDE status. You can see that Gemini connected to VS Code. And now we can run our first prompt. For instance, I could ask Gemini to create for me a simple HTML file with the form in it. And as you see, this is my file. Gemini CLI asked me if I allow this change. You can select the answer inside the terminal, or you can use checkbox at the top right corner. Okay, now let's try to select the text inside my file. And I'm going to ask Gemini CLI, what did I select? And let's see if it's aware of the context. And as you could see, Gemini CLI understands what I selected, and now we can ask it to modify this part of the code. And if you're happy with the change, we can just accept it, or we can make an edit by ourselves inside IDE and then accept the change. So basically you have the full control of the result. If you're happy with it, you can accept it, or you can edit yourself. And that's probably it. So simple and easy to use Gemini CLI inside VS Code. It's open source, it's free, you can give it a shot and share with me your feedback in comments below. Tell me if it was useful, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.